Afternoon, how are you? So the T54 is coming along really nicely. So I've just added some filters. I've done some detailing, the painting of the details. I've still got a fair bit to do. I've did a little bit of dry brushing. So the next step I'll be doing is I'll be putting in some black pin washers to bring out some more details. And that's how it is. She's a bloody nice looking tank, I tell you that now. Miniart do really well with this. My Panzer IV came in as well by Miniart. I'll show you. So yeah, done a fair bit. She looks good. She's looking good. And I'll show you the front. There you go. So also I'm working on this for the rimmer. For rims. That's his base there. So that's coming along. Oh, that's stupid. Yeah, that's really stupid. I just lost all my paving stones. Oh well, I can pick them up again. But yeah, that's coming along. So he gets a little road with some a little bit of a street in the city, and he'll get a brick wall to go with that. And this is the Panzer IV I got. This is next level kind of shit, and I'll show you that one soon in my next video or something. We'll have a look at this, because this is next level kind of crap. I've built a couple of Panzer IVs, and this one is completely different. They've completely rethought how to do this in the modelling world. It's really innovative, and it's really, shut up Elsie, and it's really good. So I got the Vomag one. My friend Rim's got the Grusin Works one or whatever, so we'll see what they come up like. Alright, I'll speak to you again soon.